Whether you're using a screen protector or gloves, there's a way to make your screen more responsive and accurate. Here's how to do it. First, open your app drawer and then find and tap on Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Display. Keep scrolling until you find the touch sensitivity option and then tap on it. In the next screen, tap the switch next to Screen Protector mode to enable it. With this mode on, your screen should become more responsive, but be aware that it might also pick up on unintended taps. If you still find that your screen isn't responding as it should, there might be some firmware issues causing a lag. The simplest fix is to restart your device. Just swipe down from the top of the screen twice, tap the power icon, and select Restart. Wait for your phone to reboot, and everything should be working smoothly. And that's it. We hope this guide helps you get the most out of your Pixel 9's touch sensitivity. Thanks for tuning in.